Hey, I'm with Alyssa and Belle in the kitchen, live.
Hello.
And we made this wonderful drink concoction. And inside of this is milk, cranberry juice, iced tea, water. We got some syrup going on, syrup action, ranch dressing. We got some barbecue sauce.
Raspberry vinaigrette.
Raspberry vinaigrette dressing. Okay, we're about to drink this.
Milk.
Oh yeah, did you get iced tea?
Yeah.
It's gonna be
Intense.
fresh.
Oh.
Go first.
You.
I'll go first, girl. I go last. I think it's going alphabetical order. A, B, me.
Yeah, you.
No.
You're A. You're A.
A, B,
A, B, K.
Okay, fine. I'll go first.
Hurry up. Wait.
I will. Some water.
Yeah, I'm not gonna have a lot of. I'm not gonna have a lot of time left. She will. No.
Hurry up! Get it from the sink. Hurry.
Just hurry up. Okay.
Notice the pan on my shirt while we're waiting. Pimp. Yo, we're a dog, homie.
We have water. Now go.